Hey everybody, Devlin here. I was just reading how the great actor Mickey Rourke is currently seeking aid to help him in the eviction process because it's hard out here for everybody. And I've really been going through it. For anyone who has followed my story, I have been fighting against my evil landlords at Brom Real Estate since July of last year. Now, I've actually been going around with them and their slimy lawyer for my entire tenancy, but they have unraveled me in the eviction process since July. I am currently in the second of two cases that they've pulled me into. During the first case, they actually offered me a settlement and a buyout. Unfortunately, I had to turn it down because as they are, the level of slimy that they are and manipulative and really just disgusting, evil people, in order to get the cash settlement that they were offering, there was a stipulation agreement that I would have to sign, which included a mutual agreement not to sue them. Well, they deserve to be sued into the ground and taken out of business, honestly. I have made a number of very calm civil requests for repairs and updates and replacements of appliances and other things that need to be changed here in my unit as well as throughout the building, which they have not only completely ignored, but often mark as completed in my tenant portal when they did nothing at all. Now, I have been very clear and direct and many times had to demand that they make changes, and they continue to refuse. Well, now we are in this legal battle. I have a court date, a jury trial set up for less than 2 weeks away, and my life is already hard enough. I am already struggling financially, mentally, physically, emotionally. There's a lot of things going on. I need so much help right now. I am currently receiving legal assistance from an organization here in Los Angeles, but they are not my counsel. They do not. I am not represented by counsel. I am seeking a lawyer, official civil lawyer right now that will help me take these people on. I have reached out to so many lawyers and so many law firms, and unfortunately, as it's been the case so far, no lawyer will take the case pro bono with an unlawful detainer as part of the case. Now, there are lawyers out there who will absolutely take the case, especially with all of the various evidence that I have against these people, which include heavy retaliation, harassment, habitability issues, including plumbing, rats, mice, insects, holes in the walls of the building. The list goes on and on. I have an email from one of the property managers in which he calls me mentally ill because I was and had been demanding repairs and updates. I also have outstanding evidence that Brom's workers destroyed my bed frame while they were installing smoke alarms, and Brom will not acknowledge it. They have never offered me money. Also, Brom is one of the many corporate landlords in Los Angeles County that works with and subcontracts through the RUB system, which is the ratio utility billing system, which is essentially a way for corporate landlords to rip off their tenants. If you've not already, if you are under one of these many companies that's under the RUBS umbrella, you know exactly what I'm talking about. They purposely overcharge tenants for their water and trash and other utilities, and continue to get away with it because there is a lot of money exchanged with a number of The LA City knows all about it, and the LA City Council won't do anything about it. In fact, they love it because they're getting paid behind closed doors. Also, AAGLA, the Apartment Association of Greater Los Angeles, is behind it and works with these corporate landlords to rip tenants off. Anyway, I've been going through this for a very long time. I have a lot of research, a lot of evidence on Brom and these people, but I need a civil lawyer to officially take them on. I'm heading towards this jury trial, this court case. Brom's counsel propounded discovery upon me. They demanded discovery upon me, which I am currently building and trying to get together right now. It's a lot of work. I'm doing it on my own. And as someone who is neurodivergent and including being autistic and ADHD and a little OCD, sometimes the OCD helps and sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes the ADHD hyperfocus helps and sometimes it doesn't. Mostly, I've got way too much work and I need help. Anyway, in all of this, I don't have a car, so getting back and forth to get all of these documents that the court requires for this court case is a lot. Since this all started, I have gone in and out of periods of being food insecure. I get EBT and general relief, but it runs out very quickly. It's out now. I have received some assistance with food, but right now I really need all of the help I can get, specifically financial help, to get me through this court case, to help me. I really would rather have a lawyer, a civil lawyer, to help me take these people on. Meanwhile, I'm doing it myself and I need a lot of help. So any help you can throw my way to help me in regards to this eviction and this court case and taking these people on and getting through my everyday life is extraordinarily appreciated. If you are a lawyer or know someone who will connect me with a lawyer who will take this case and help me, reach out. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. There's a lot of crazy things going on. Our administration is totally unhinged. So I know a lot of people are struggling right now, just like I am. So stay strong. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you.